Hello. Hi, welcome to Hair Development. I'm Janice. I'm the Creative Director of Hair Development, and my cousin Mark Burns is the Managing Director. This company was started more than 50 years ago by my father, the late, great Stanley, who we all miss. But he is our guiding light, and all of us here, all the staff and all the family that work here, we do see his smile here every single day. We are specialists in hair loss solutions, hair replacement, hair extensions. We supply by our manufacturing techniques. We create, design, and manufacture cutting-edge, state-of-the-art hair replacement systems, the most beautiful hair extensions, all of which are ethically sourced. We do an awful lot for television, the movies, theatre. We can't say the name of the celebrities that wear hair development hair, but we can tell you that their stylists come in here to buy HD hair. So our hair is seen globally at the Oscars, the Grammys, the Golden Globes, the BAFTAs. And in our business, of course, discretion is the key. When it comes to hair replacement, there is so much involved in the world of good mental health behind the scenes that so many people are unaware of. But the business that we are in is a very specialized industry. It's very lucrative and extremely important to have experts working within this industry. But at the same time, it is truly the most wonderful feeling to be able to make people look better and make them feel better and restore their self-esteem, their confidence, and to have somebody come into hair development who are oftentimes in great distress as suffering hair loss, to be able to restore that for them and see them leave with their self-esteem intact is truly a wonderful feeling. So there's a very emotional side to the business too. And when my father passed away in 2018, Mark and I took over the business, and we're first cousins. It's very much a family business. And I'm just very grateful that we can do this for people as well as for ourselves, because we have been around over 50 years. We are an award-winning company. We have been awarded by Parliament and the London Chamber of Commerce, amongst others. And for many, many years, we very quietly worked as the wind beneath the wings of the industry, manufacturing, branding for very big names. And then we thought to ourselves, well, why don't we step out of the wings and come center stage? So that's what we've done. And it's proving to be very successful. And with that, we needed a wonderful, spectacular website. And that's where Penta came along. So I had found Penta. We spoke to Tucker. We arranged a meeting, and we just knew instantly that this was the company for us. We didn't even have to look anywhere else. So we had some issues with our old website, and I think that's because we had concentrated so much on putting so much into the company that we kind of discarded it slightly. And when we took a really good look at it, Mark and I realized that it was so outdated. But the most important thing was it did not reflect our expertise, and it wasn't the kind of website we wanted to present to our clients who are all over the world. So with our new website, first and foremost, I think the collaboration between Hair Development and Penta was so wonderful. It was just easy to speak to the team. They're just such great people, and to put it in the hands of probably 15 different people in the Penta locations across Europe. And it was one wonderful thing about Penta was that they really listen to our needs, and then they make suggestions, and some of which we hadn't even thought of. Now we have a hair development website that it's just got this welcoming and very warm landing page. And by warm, I mean somehow you just feel like you're entering into a very comfortable space. It reflects our knowledge and the hair replacement systems that we create, the 65 plus colors that are available. There are just the colors that Penta use, and the graphics and the videos and everything they put together is absolutely seamless. And Mark and I were thrilled truly with the result. And the way they listen to you is I think that's so important because I don't think enough people do listen to what you might need and to take that into account, and just to be able to work with this great team of guys. And whenever I wanted to add something, I would just email them and it would just be done instantly. And that's not because they're not looking after dozens of other companies and building, but they take the time for you. And time, I think, is the most precious gift that you can give. One really exciting thing that has happened since our website was launched is that Mark and I felt so much pride in it that we decided to enter it into the London Chamber of Commerce SME Business Awards for London. So I entered, waited with bated breath, and oh yes, we're in the final for Website of the Year, along with Family Business of the Year and Businesswoman of the Year. But the reason that we entered Penta alongside us for this is because I always think it is so important to give kudos to people that you just not only work so well with, but that take such great care of you. So for hair development, to be able to say that we're in the final for Website of the Year is a wonderful feeling. But just as much as it is for Penta, because I think they're so deserving of it, I think that it's always really important to take into account what people can do for you by giving back and doing something for them. And I think that I'm proud of Penta. We at Hair Development are very proud of Penta, and we are thrilled that they are in the final with us as the London Chamber of Commerce Website of the Year. So here's to the final and all good things. Thank you, Penta.